My dear, I've got this for you today. Now, so I take cook nonsense. Normally, my papa say if a woman cook bad food, now so she go top belly food. Now I see am today. My eyes see me. So tell my cheek, they pay me. I don't know who sent me go do this thing, no. I don't know. With all my lighting, with all my effects, with all my gara carry baby for back, do this, do that. Honestly, I don't know. I finally cooked nonsense. Man, this is it, eh? Corn. I bought fresh corn the previous day. I just say, let me try this method. What if there is no charcoal? What person go do? Only me, they improvise for myself. I just tired. I didn't know the method earlier. I just did what my head gave me. I carried the corn, go put inside oven. I did not apply any oil on it. I'm just thinking maybe if I had applied maybe coconut oil or vegetable oil, it would make it to be moist and not come out the way it did. Man, the thing is just very annoying. I don't feel laugh at myself. This one, no, I didn't even show anybody. I just told my girl, say, we go chop corn tired today. All this corn, no, 2 of us chop and finish. At the point, she was like, Auntie, I'm tired. Please, what do we do? I said, food is expensive in Nigeria right now, so we just have to finish this corn. My dear, have you tried this method before? Please, what do you do if you want to improvise roasting your corn? Like you can see now, I was just trying to put it in the oven. Instead of me to use normal method I know, it's either you cook it or you fry it or you roast with charcoal. I got to do all these ones. My corn came out very strong, dried. Kakaraka. I beg you, no matter what you do, please don't try this at home. Please don't try this at home using your oven. Maybe if I had used my air fryer, it would have been better than using the oven without applying any oil. I just tired, honestly. Please, but have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to my channel? Please. And the annoying part self is that the corn, I bought 6 for 1,000. Can imagine how I wasted money. Now it's kind of waste because I chopped this corn, chop. So I just got tired of myself. But finally, we still finished it. I think we ate it from around that kind 2 till 6 p.m. I was just eating corn. My dear, see. Someone would think I'm doing better thing. If I use the money I use buy this thing, buy flour, I don't do bread now. What's all these things? I just got tired. But that's the end of my story, Jerry. Whatever you do, don't try this nonsense at home. Thank you for watching.